and welcome. Today I'm going to plant some of my seedlings into the ground. Some Danish ballhead cabbages, some Savoy cabbage, some Brussels sprouts, and some mustards. So I thought I would bring you along. It's not that bad of a day. It's kind of overcast, not too muggy, so it seems like a good day to do it. Okay, I've dug two furrows here, and one here. And in each of them, I've put some of my Nature Safe 855 fertilizer. And I'm going to plant some blue rock lettuce in the first furrow. And in the second furrow, I'm going to put my Danish baldhead cabbage. So thought I would bring you along. Squeezing the sides and gently easing them out. And I'm just spreading the soil that I dug out of the furrow back around. Okay, and put the label next to the previous label, and this one's done. So let's get started with the cabbage. And it's going to be the same process. Squeeze the bottom sides together, get it to pop up. Tilt slightly so that it pops out into my hand. We'll sit that one there. 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 Last but not least, one more. Up there. Okay, smooth the dirt or soil that I dug out of the furrow back around. Previous label and the new name label. Removing some of the weeds. Okay, they're all in, so this bed is good to go. I'll water them in a few, and let's get to my other plantings. Okay, these are all in, and I'll water them afterwards. Put the label and the previous label back in. Okay, that's it. Okay, I have two 5-gallon buckets that I've dug a hole in and placed some 855 in. I'm going to plant 2 Brussels sprouts. Come on, fuck up. Okay, that's one. And let's get this one. And we'll put the label in this one. Okay, try to zoom in, but the 2 5-gallon buckets that you're looking at have Brussels sprouts in it, a variety called Myrtle F1. First time growing Brussels sprouts, so hopefully I do everything correct and we'll have some when this done. I'll bring you along and show you their progress. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me on this journey today, starting out new seedlings on their way to being full-fledged vegetables. It's kind of exciting, and I'm looking forward to how they turn out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider doing so. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I update a new video. You can share the video as well. Leave me a comment and I'll be sure to reply. If you got anything out of the video, that's fantastic. I really appreciate that. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and remember, even in small spaces, such as mine, you can grow great amount of vegetables for your family as well as yourself. Stay strong, stay blessed,